your car. I say opposite. You need to race it. Woo! What is up, everybody? Today we have a real busy morning. We got to get this Z completely fucking stripped down, torn apart, every good piece off of it, and then the shell's going to the scrapyard. A lot of stuff we need to save. Some stuff Brandon needs for his new G35 project. He ended up getting the G35 off Laker, which is sick. He's going to be doing some manual swap stuff, getting a lot of the parts off of this, minus like a transmission. That's pretty much it.
Yeah, the only thing I'm not taking is the trans and the axles, and that's going to you.
Because I always like to have extra parts, especially for missile car stuff. So I'm taking like the trunk, the bumpers, anything that I can possibly think that I might break in the near future is getting taken off. So we're gonna get to work, start pulling this thing apart. It's pretty much getting ripped apart pretty quick. We got this thing out on the ground, got all the bolts out, got the trunk off, got the doors off, got the harness off, got the motor out, got most of the suspension on the left side out. We're gonna work on pulling the rest of the suspension on the right side, and then I think we're gonna just finish pulling the rear subframe, but we're gonna try and pull that as one thing. I think we probably should pull some of the interior stuff, like the seats and probably like a couple extra little things, but we're making some pretty good progress. We've only been at this for like
an hour and a half, maybe.
Yeah, exactly, an hour and a half. So for an hour and a half's worth of work to have the motor out, the trans out, the doors off, the trunk off, the wiring harness off, the left side suspension off, we're flying.
Yeah, the guy that had it before couldn't drive, I'm guessing. Is that supposed to look like that?
This is my new race car transmission. Feels good. We want to go into fifth. That's not good. Fuck that, we don't need fifth gear. Okay. So the trans is off, and once we pulled the trans out, we realized something. This motor, I don't know if you can see that, has an LKQ stamp on both heads. That means that this motor is not the original motor. The other dead giveaway is this transmission has a bunch of white marker all over it, indicating what car and stuff this came out of. Obviously, this is not the original motor for this car, and it's not the original transmission. It does look like it is a newer transmission than what should probably be in here, which is awesome for us. I'm going to do a little bit more research and match up some more numbers, but from what I can tell, this might be a newer CD09 instead of a CD05 or 1 or whatever. The diff out, the axle's out, and the subframe out, which is sweet because we're just a couple steps away from this thing being done, from us ripping it apart. We do want to get the bumper cover off along with the bumper bar on the back, the seats out, and I don't think we really need, well, you need the pedals.
I need just the clutch pedal simply. That's it. The carpet, it's still good. It just smells like ass if you get it shampooed. If you want it.
Smells like hot piles of dick.
Yes.
Big,
probably don't want it.
Big ones.
Cute, like Mandingo.
Deep-seated carpet dicks.
If anyone asks or wants to know, 95% of the shit from the 350Z is transferable to the G35. So I'm taking the suspension, clutch pedal setup, the fucking huge drive shaft. This thing is ginormous. It's ridiculous. That's my hand. And now we are going to start cleaning up and start loading this bitch onto the trailer. You know what we need?
Something to go across this too.
What about the...
You mean like a 2x4 piece of steel?
Something.
Perfect.
Fucking He-Man, this bitch.
Coming.
Come on back until it crunches. Oh,
Okay.
hold up for a second. Alright, hold up.
Okay.
Now we're gonna move the jack.
Yeah, just lower the jack. Here you go.
Oh, I'm helping the neighbors move a car.
You got the trailer, the car on the trailer. So that's how you don't load a car with no.
I think we did all right.
I think we did, it was okay.
It was fine.
All right, guys, so we got the car on the trailer and we took it over to the scrap bin, and they gave us a whopping $11 for the scrap metal. Make sure to stay tuned for the next video that's coming out. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I can't wait to show you guys what we got coming next. See you guys soon. Bye.
Next time I see you